We're at Mr. Sean Moritz's property, documenting a repair attempt to the left roof slope that has been paid for some shingle repairs. On video, I'd like to note some wind damage shingles here on the right slope as well. There's a clear crease right there going along. See is the right roof slope. So got a couple questionable tears here, but I do have another creased shingle down here from wind. So if you can see that crease right there, and I gently lift and it bends right there. So the wind lift and the crease. However, I'm going to do my repair attempt here on the left slope where the repairs are paid for. This is the current condition of where we're at right now. Okay, start by unsealing these shingles here. Okay, so I'm gonna get this shingle out. Slight tear here. Good. I'll show a close up of that in a minute. Okay. So in order to pop this shingle out here, I need to loosen the nails from the shingle taken out and the one above it as well. So two shingles would have to be sealed like that. Okay, so I'm gonna gently lift as if simulating hammering a nail here, just enough. Bring it down a little. Alright. Here, it's really hard. Just enough. So the shingles are just kind of falling apart here. So see that instantly creased and broke, and also delaminated. Also, when I was trying to separate, we had a tear here, tear here, tear there. You can see my finger. Got another crease right there. Another one here. It's bending, delaminating. I mean, you can clearly see the condition of these shingles to be very much non-repairable. And with the wind damage on both slopes, full roof replacement is what's going to be required here. Thank you.